In today's video, we are diving into the Olirio Kitchen Counter Shelf Organizer, a fantastic space saving solution that's perfect for any room. This three-tier corner shelf is designed to maximize your countertop space, whether in the kitchen, bathroom, or even your makeup vanity. Available in rustic brown, all black, and white, it boasts a stylish rustic finish that complements any decor. It fits snugly into corners while providing ample storage for spices, makeup, or plants. One of the standout features is its upgraded stable structure featuring two steel legs for enhanced stability. This means you can easily angle the shelves or use them flat, making it incredibly versatile. Assembly is a breeze with clear instruction to get you set up in minutes. Customers appreciate its aesthetically pleasing design and functionality. While some have noted minor issues with skews and stability, overall with a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 1,300 ratings, it's worth considering for anyone looking to organize their space. Check out the Olirio store for more details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great product insight. Thanks for watching and happy organizing. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.